And we're back for another video in the parking lot of Fine Auto Sales because they're going to be doing some work on our E90. But before we get into that, look at this thing. Fire extinguisher in there. Beautiful. And look at this thing right here. This is one of their customers' cars. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Has the phone in there. Pristine. Absolutely pristine. But anyway, back to what we're here for. The E90 has started to get a little bit of like a shudder in the transmission. Very light, but noticeable. It does have the GM transmission in it. Not the ZF 6-speed, it has the GM 6-speed. So, we're gonna take her in. We got the entire kit from FCP Euro to do the job. So we're gonna knock out the job and see if that helps. It's just a drain and fill. It's not like a flush or anything like that. But we're gonna get in there, have the guys knock it out. I'm gonna try to record a little bit for you guys, show you guys what the fluid looks like. From what I can see, it's never been touched before, and the car does have 115,000 miles on it. So we'll keep you guys updated once we get her inside. So in the kit, you get the gasket right here. And you get 7 liters of ATF, liquid moly, top tier 1800. You get your filter, an O-ring, all new bolts, and here you get new drain plugs, 2 of them. So it's a pretty full kit from FCP Euro that gives you everything you need to complete the job. And it's coming out pitch black. Nice. Magnet looks pretty clean.
Now we have to let it drain for like maybe I want to say 15 minutes.
Yeah,
And then I'm gonna use the air tool
take
and I'm
this
gonna
thing
clean all
off
this
and
shit right here.
And then the filter off too.
what
Oh, yeah.
I think it's a screw on it. No.
I think you just pull down.
Let me
Let me look at the new one.
Shit. Está dura. Watch you. Do it like swivel it like. No, like
Oh, it's so fucking hot. It is, primo. My hand is
Hell yeah.
exactamente in la cara. Right under.
there's a gasket. Exactly. It's not a good lotion.
Oh, the differential is a little better for the smell.
Oh man. There's, yep. Finger that hole, Poppy.
The other one, the new one has.
It has a new gasket, yeah. And then this is the oil pan. Oh, there's some gunk on it. Get the camera to focus.
You're shifting ugly. Let me show you.
A little metallic-y. It's not bad.
We're gonna call him Federale. Federale, amigo.
That's you.
Tengo gato en los pantalones. How you say it?
Sí, papi. El pollo es muy picante. Very metallic-y. This is the other filter. So you can see it's open from here. You can see some metal particles. Doesn't look too bad. It looks like a cloth filter, but you can see the shine on it. See that back there? And then you might be able to see in here. Same thing, a little bit of sheen in there. It's not too bad overall. Like, I'm not seeing anything crazy. It's dirty fluid. You can tell it has like 115,000 miles on it. Coming back to the filter down here. Again, dirty.
I feel like one of those issues, like you just don't do oil change sometimes, too much overtime.
tell the sheen on it. So we're gonna clean this off, of course, but just to show you guys. Super dirty. Not bad though, like it's not the end of the world with this car. So hopefully this cleans up the shifts because they were a little knotty. So we're hoping that doing this will clean up the GM shifts and make them a little bit more crisp. Waiting for it to finish draining off and warm down a little bit because it's kind of hot. We have to finger out the gasket. That's right here. Right in there. It's so hot to try to grab it. We got it on. I'm gonna be useful. They have these little nubs in there, so you make sure the gasket can align in the nubs.
Where's this video?
Wow, this thing is still hot.
No.
Yeah, a little bit. You're gonna want to hand thread these, you know. You don't want to own a Honda Fit and cross. And we're back on this beautifully sunny day with the E90. She's done. It's been 2 days since the fluid swap was completed on this car. I took it around for a couple hundred miles just to test it out. And happy to say she does shift a little crisper, a little cleaner. She had this hesitation before. It's gone. It drives normal now. It drives great. Now the hesitation, I will say, if a normal person drove this car, they probably wouldn't have noticed it, but we did because we daily drive this car. But I think she's happy with the new fluid in her. She's now at 116,000 miles. So easy enough fluid swap. Again, FCP Euro kit's 200 and some bucks. It's not that bad, honestly. Comes with everything, like legit everything you need, including the bolts and everything. New O-ring, new bolts, new pan, the bolts for the pan. It's all there for you. Now, being a BMW, she did need, or we did find other work that she needed while down there. Namely, both front axles were blown. All the grease had leaked out of them. So she got new front axles on the front, and she got new tie rods, outer tie rods, and then she got an alignment. So she drives a little sharper now. Like, I feel like there's a little bit of like a, not a clunk, but just like a click here and there. And my brother said he did notice like a hum or something. He said he could hear the axles when he pulled up to like a Dunkin' Donuts. When you pull into the drive-thru, you can hear like the echo. He's like, he could hear something coming from the car, and that's all gone now. She drives good. She points straight. Good car overall. So yeah, guys, super easy job, not hard. Again, I'm saying it's easy, but even without a lift, you guys can knock this out yourselves. It's not that hard. I'll link to the kit in the description. Just make sure you get the correct kit, because if you have, these cars come with a GM transmission or a ZF 6-speed. This one has the GM transmission. So again, easy enough job. Click the link in the description, get the kit yourself, and enjoy your cars.